Good day, I am Shikaina Masilang, your interviewer for today. Thank you for taking the time to join us. We're excited to have the opportunity to get to know you better and discuss how your skills and experience might be a great fit for this position. This interview will take about 10 minutes and will consist of series of questions designed to help us understand your qualifications and how you handle various work situations. And now, let's proceed. First is, tell me about yourself.
Hi, I am Rainiel Kevin M. Luarca, and now I am here for an interview. Thank you.
Thank you. Now for my second question, what motivates you?
What motivates me is the opportunity to help others solve the problem, learn, and achieve their goals. I thrive on curiosity, continuous improvement, and making a positive contact.
For my third question, what would you do if you were given a task you've never done before?
Given tasks I've never done before, I'd approach it with curiosity and focus first. I'd research thoroughly to understand the requirements and gather insights. Then I'd break into my manageable self.
For my fourth question, what are your strengths?
I excel at providing accurate information, solving problems, and generating creative content. My strengths include adaptability, clear communication, and quick thinking.
Great. Now, we're down for the last question. What are your salary expectations?
As a virtual assistant, I don't have salary expectation. My primary goal is to provide efficient, high-quality support tailored to your needs, ensuring value and productivity in every interaction.
Thank you for your thoughtful responses. I appreciate the time you've taken to share your experiences and insights with us today. We'll be reviewing all of the candidates and we'll reach out to you with the next steps within 1 to 2 weeks. If you have any further questions or need any additional information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Again, thank you for your time and we look forward to connecting with you soon. Have a great day.